Catnip, Nepeta cateria, uncovered. In today's video, we're going to explore the intriguing world of catnip, also known as Nepeta cateria. This versatile plant has a rich history of use for various purposes, from traditional medicine to, of course, delighting our feline friends. So join us as we discover the fascinating uses, cultural significance, and scientific research surrounding catnip. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more captivating content. Let's dive in. Catnip is a perennial plant native to Europe, Asia, and Africa, but it has become naturalized in North America as well. It belongs to the Lamiaceae family and is characterized by its heart-shaped, toothed leaves and clusters of small, tubular flowers that can range from white to pale purple. Catnip is most famous for its effect on cats, but it has also been used for centuries by humans for its medicinal properties, which we'll explore in more detail throughout this video. Catnip has a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly in Europe and Asia. Some of the most common applications include 1. Sedative and sleep aid. Catnip has been used for centuries as a mild sedative to help with anxiety, stress, and insomnia. 2. Digestive aid. Catnip has also been used to help with various digestive issues, including indigestion, gas, and colic. 3. Pain relief. The plant has been used as a natural remedy for headaches, toothaches, and menstrual cramps. Today, catnip is still used in herbal medicine, and research continues to explore its potential therapeutic properties. Some modern applications include 1. Stress and anxiety relief. Due to its calming effects, catnip is often used as a natural remedy for stress and anxiety. 2. Sleep aid. Catnip's sedative properties make it a popular choice for those struggling with insomnia or other sleep disturbances. 3. Insect repellent. Catnip contains a compound called nepetalactone, which has been found to repel insects such as mosquitoes, ticks, and flies. Beyond its medicinal uses, catnip has played a role in various cultural practices. For example, in ancient Rome, catnip was believed to have protective properties and was used in various rituals and ceremonies to ward off evil spirits. In medieval Europe, catnip was used as a culinary herb, and its leaves were often added to salads, soups, and stews for their unique flavor. Of course, we can't forget the plant's most famous use, as a source of amusement for our feline friends. The compound nepetalactone in catnip is known to trigger a euphoric response in many cats, leading them to roll around, paw, and even chew on the plant. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in the potential therapeutic effects of catnip. Researchers have been conducting studies to better understand its properties and potential benefits. While some studies have shown promising results, more research is needed to fully understand and validate its efficiency. For example, a 2011 study found that catnip might have antiviral properties, particularly against the influenza virus. However, more research is needed to confirm these findings and understand how it can be used in a clinical setting. While catnip is generally considered safe when used appropriately, it's essential to remember that it may not be suitable for everyone. Some people may experience side effects like headaches, dizziness, or gastrointestinal upset. Additionally, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking medication. As we wrap up our exploration of catnip, let's take a look at some interesting facts about this fascinating plant. 1. Not all cats respond to catnip. Approximately 50 to 70% of cats are affected by the plant, while the rest seem to be indifferent to it. The sensitivity to catnip is hereditary and can vary from one individual to another. 2. Catnip isn't just for domestic cats. Many big cats, like lions and tigers, are also known to be affected by the plant, exhibiting similar playful and euphoric behaviors. 3. Catnip's insect repellent properties are so potent that some researchers believe it could be more effective than DEET, the active ingredient in many commercial insect repellents. And there you have it, our deep dive into the intriguing world of catnip. We've explored its diverse uses, cultural significance, and ongoing scientific research surrounding this multifaceted plant. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other content on herbs, natural remedies, and more. Click on the suggested videos on the screen and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content.